Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to show you Modelones absolutely beautiful extra details gel art liners. I have 12 different colors that I'm going to be showing you, so just sit back and relax and just take a look at these colors. I know those colors are absolutely beautiful and I cannot wait to use them. So what I'm going to be doing is just making me a set of Valentine's Day nails or press-on nails. And so the first thing that I did was just go in and measure my nail bed. After I picked the correct sizes, I'm just going in and perfecting the shape, and then also just going in and removing that shiny layer by just gently buffing the nail. After that, I created my very own sheer nude color. I wanted something sheer, so I just mixed my base coat in a brown color. I added a few drops of that to the base coat and shook it up really well, and this is the color that I came up with. I feel like it was absolutely perfect and it'll go really well with my skin tone. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 coats of this on all of the nails, and then of course I'm gonna cure each coat for 30 seconds. Alrighty, so this is what the nails look like after 2 coats. So then now these are the liners that I'm going to be using. I picked a white, a black, a pink, and a glittery red, which was absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to be doing a white French tip. So of course going from the right corner towards the middle, and then the left corner towards the middle, and just meeting right in the middle, and then just filling in the tip. As you can see, that gel polish is going really well. You definitely do want to make sure that you wipe a lot of that polish off the brush, that way you're not flooding the nail with polish. And then after that, I'm gonna go in and do some hearts on this ring finger. So I'm just using my dotting tool, doing 2 dots, and then connecting the dots in the middle to create a heart. So again, make sure that you remove a lot of that polish from your brush, that way you get a really nice and detailed and precise little line. So also I wanted to give you guys a little bit more information about these gel liners. So again, they are by Modelones. They are the extra details gel art liners. They're excellent in every detail. So these brushes are definitely really thin, so you're able to get some really thin and precise lines. The hair follicles are soft and dense. They also have a tip of 0.1 millimeters. So it gives you a really, like I said, a really precise line. You just have to make sure that you wipe a lot of that gel polish off. That way your tip is not flooded, because then it's going to create a thicker line, and that's what we don't want, or depend on what we're doing. But for small details, you definitely want just a little bit of polish at the tip of your brush. Also, the gel polish are definitely super pigmented. As I said, the brush is very precise and definitely really easy to work with, so absolutely love them. And y'all, when I say this red glittery gel polish is to die for, y'all, it looks so good. I mean, y'all seen that close up, so y'all seen how pretty every single color is. So of course I'll be sure to leave the information down below, as well as my promo code, so you guys can go check them out. Alrighty, so we finished the ring finger. We just did different color hearts and then some lips in there with the red glitter. For the thumb, I'm just gonna go in and do a French tip just like I did with the middle finger. So again, just going from one corner to the center and then meeting the other one right in the center as well, and then just filling in the tip. So for the index finger, I'm just gonna go in with that red glitter, because I think this one definitely has to be my favorite out of all of the gel liners. So I'm just gonna do this little design on this one. And then for the pinky, I wanted to show you guys me using it to do letters. So I just kind of wrote love with the black one in cursive, and so I just went in and kind of just did like a little rough draft. So I kind of just went in and played with it, and then after I got the letters down, I'm gonna go in and just kind of get a little bit more detailed with it, and just making my little lines a little bit more detailed, I guess. So after that, I'm gonna go in and draw a little tiny heart on top of the word love, but I'm gonna be using the red glitter. So just going in, doing the 2 dots, and then just connecting the little heart in the middle. And this is definitely the easiest way ever to do a heart. So now I'm just going to be incorporating some bling. So I'm just using my wax pencil and some red bling to apply these stones. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in with this Modelones gel top coat, and I'm gonna apply that on all of the nails, and then we're gonna cure this set for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so this is the final look. As you can see, they turned out absolutely beautiful. This is what they look like on my fingers. The sizing is perfect, the lines are perfect. I love the lips, the hearts, the bling, the word love. Everything is absolutely beautiful and definitely giving Valentine's Day vibes. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to go check out these two collections. I'll leave the link down below as well as my promo code. And so again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.